Ovulation is the release of an egg from one of the ovaries. It often happens about midway through the menstrual cycle, although the exact timing may vary. In preparation for ovulation, the lining of the uterus thickens. The pituitary gland in the brain stimulates one of the ovaries to release an egg. The wall of the ovarian follicle ruptures at the surface of the ovary. The egg is released. Finger-like structures sweep the egg into the neighboring fallopian tube. The egg travels through the fallopian tube, propelled in part by contractions in the fallopian tube walls. The strongest sperm will travel through the cervix, the opening of the womb or uterus, and into the fallopian tubes. A single sperm and the mother's egg cell meet in the fallopian tube. When the single sperm enters the egg, conception occurs. The combined sperm and egg is called a zygote. The zygote travels down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. It begins dividing rapidly to form a cluster of cells. When it reaches the uterus, it implants in the lining of the uterus and pregnancy begins. If the egg isn't fertilized, it's simply reabsorbed by the body, perhaps before it even reaches the uterus. About 2 weeks later, the lining of the uterus sheds through the vagina. This is known as menstruation.